Uba Vincent Espela, President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Luong Boladan Hakalanti Banirap Ikutmura Yakamat Yakran Khappud Lani ka MOU Penmaipot Sha Supreme Court. Ulong Bala ka Congress kan wan hakabor sensiar kan thao ki policy ki bolong ka jingmantoy ki balong persa ki jingsngo ki nong song snong. Ulong ba ka MOU Penmaipot bat ka Assam ka debay ka jingadi khando sa ka chala Assam namat ka jing Penmaipot kam syam ladan ka jinghun na ki babon ki bynta.
The border issue is a very critical issue. Meghalaya maps become smaller and smaller. Very unfortunate that Assam has given us. Now also we are giving back to Assam. There also I have seen many people, they came to me, they met me, they want to go to Supreme Court. See, if the public in the border are not happy with it, why should you impose on it? Only to get one big building, only to get one hotel, and you have to sell so many lands, you have to let out so many of the public's property, because we are in the 6th schedule. All the people who live in the 6th schedule, they have got different facilities. All the land we have got in the 6th schedule, all the people have got scheduled tribe, and scheduled caste, so we live different facilities. Now all this will go back to Assam. Only they said in the border there are certain populations which are more. So that is not the question. You have to know the history. You have to do a public hearing. You have to do a social impact. They have not done any social impact, no public hearing. They simply come, notify, and they went to the border, and Assam will dictate them. It's totally a sellout. I think they have to come. They have to come back one day. Today, because they are they are ruling in such a position, they are in good terms with Assam and Meghalaya. So if you see, the loss will be the maximum of the prime property. The loss is for the Meghalaya.
But if the Congress gets into power, let's
101%. If Congress comes to power, we'll rethink on the border. If Congress comes to power, we'll never allow casino to come. I can guarantee you. If Congress comes to power, we'll do the policy, we'll form a policy, we'll frame a policy what the public wants. It's not what we want.
So will you repeal the MOU?
MOU definitely will go to Supreme Court. I'm already on the verge of helping all those people going to Supreme Court. So I don't like the way which they have done with the border issue is very bad actually.